This is in the top 3 biggest bag snacks of all time. And y'all just be shamelessly eating both bars in the package like it's nothing. What is wrong with y'all? We need to do better as a country. But Big Debbie is doing a giveaway called Back to Snacks. Basically, you fill out this form and you could win a Little Debbie prize pack. But that's not it, because they're also giving away a trip for the family to go to Dollywood. There's a whole park dedicated to glazing Dolly Parton. Okay, serious question. Is that actually anyone's family dream to go to Dollywood? Is there like little kids dreaming of going there? I don't know, I've never been. In all seriousness, this place does kind of look fun and I think my family would enjoy it. We're entered. Let me know if you would go to Dollywood.